know, in the restaurant business, it's said that people eat first with their eyes. So today on Kitchen Guy, I'll show you an elegant presentation that brings that aspect to your table. It's fish and parchment paper. So I've got a piece of parchment paper that I'll fold in half, and then with the scissors, I will cut a heart shape in the paper. Now go ahead and brush your parchment paper with some olive oil. Then take a piece of fish fillet, I'm using halibut today, and place it on the side closest to you, and then top it with some sliced green onions and some minced ginger and some sun-dried tomato, and finally a little bit of garlic. Now here's the technique for closing the parchment. Fold it over the fish and then start at the rounded end and then fold in half-inch segments. And when you get to the last one, fold it underneath the fish. My oven's at 425, and now I'll bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending upon the thickness of the fish, or until the parchment begins to turn golden brown. Now carefully take the parchment wrapped fish to your plate, and with equal care, cut a slit and let the steam escape. And you've got one beautiful presentation for dinner. And I'll send you this recipe if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. And I'll see you next time.